What's up, guys? Movie Maniac here. Okay, I'm still continuing on with the Batman and Superman news, which I think you see in my first video where I said that one of the producers of Justice League has tweeted an actual title, which is called Justice League. So, here we go. I'm gonna tell you a million reasons why I don't think we don't need a Justice League movie. First off, I think DC is just so worried because Marvel is making so much more money and making so much more progress with this whole Avengers thing. They haven't even started with their own Justice League thing. I mean, recently they've been rushing through a lot of things. I mean, they were thinking about doing Batman vs. Superman, and then all of a sudden they're like, hey, why don't we just do like another Green Lantern movie, like a TV series, or Flash TV series and everything. There's been a lot of stuff. And then I heard that Batman and Superman versus Superman was going to be Justice League. So, let me just point this out. We don't need a Justice League movie right now. We just don't. I mean, just wait. Wait patiently. Do something. Think of something creative. I mean, with Marvel, I really love what Marvel did to build us up to the Avengers. You know, just make a movie about each superhero and then build it up to the Avengers. I mean, why can't they do that? I mean, they don't have to make another reboot of Batman because we know who Batman is since the Christopher Nolan movies existed. So we don't need, well, technically we don't need a Batman remake. So that's why I think there's a good idea that Batman vs. Superman would be made to introduce this new Batman. Because we already know who Batman is. We don't need another reboot. So yeah. And then maybe next up, do something clever. Do something to build up to Justice League. Do something really awesome and make a TV series, or have like Arrow, which I need to watch that show, but make like maybe an episode of Arrow where it leads up maybe to the Justice League, or maybe just another, or maybe when it leads up to a hint or a clue that there's gonna be a Flash movie or something like that, or Martian the Manhunter, or something like that. I mean, just something that would build up to Justice League. Do that. I mean, why can't they do that? I mean, right now they're just immediately rushing with so much stuff. I mean, I can tell you lots of things why it's a bad idea to rush with making a Justice League just immediately. One, we need to know who you need to know who the superheroes are. I mean, most of the audience in general really don't know who Justice League is. I mean, sure, the DC diehard fans would know, but just from a regular audience, they do not know. Like, they don't know who the Martian the Manhunter is. They don't know who Wonder Woman is. They don't know who the Flash is. They don't know who Green Lantern is. I mean, they do know Batman and Superman and Wonder Woman, but just not everyone else. Why not just make a movie or a team-up movie with, you know, make a team-up movie, like maybe it's the Flash and Martian the Manhunter or something like that. Just do something clever. Do something to build it up. I mean, just wait patiently. I mean, yeah, I know Marvel has been doing a lot of stuff with the Avengers lately, but they haven't been doing so well with their movies now. I mean, Iron Man 3 was disappointing, and Thor 2 wasn't that too bad, and most people aren't really that much excited for The Winter Soldier, even though I am, because I think it's going to be a cool movie. But, I don't know, I mean, right now, just DC is just really failing really badly with these kind of movies. They've been rushing through a lot of stuff. So, I think the best thing to do is just wait patiently. I mean, why can't studios do that? I mean, I hate it whenever studios are just so impatient. Whenever they make their first box office, they just have to make a sequel. I mean, it's like 21st Jump Street. Like, is it really necessary for a second movie? To me, it really doesn't. I mean, remember when, like, Aliens? I mean, you know, Alien came out in 1979. Then they took the time to write and just think about and process the second movie, Aliens, and then when it was released to theaters, it was just a big success. You know, so these studios and DC movies just needs to wait patiently and just think. Just think of something creative. Take some time. I mean, you got like all these, you got like internal life to just think through. I mean, think something creative. Think something to build up the audience. Think of something to introduce these heroes in a really interesting way to the audience. Just to regular audiences who don't know these superheroes. I think that's what they need to do. So yeah, just something to build up. Build up the event, Justice League. Something like that. So yeah, I mean, don't rush it through, please, because then a lot of people will just not go to your movie and just don't know who they are and maybe just not be that great at the box office or something like that. So yeah, just think it through slowly. You got all the time to just process this. I mean, just think. Slow down, think what you need to do. So yeah. So those are the reasons why I think we don't need a Justice League movie right now. So yeah. So like and subscribe, check out my other videos, they're really cool. Like my page on Facebook, email me what movie review I should do. See ya.